Why listening is a more important for fluent speaking. You know that most of the pupils don't able to speak this language very fluently and naturally. They speak like a robot, like I am go to the college and after that I going to the any place. So this way they speak, and this way is a totally wrong to speak this language. If you want to talk like me, like I can speaking this language very naturally, and then in the present time I am speaking with you like a very naturally, like I'm a native speaker. I know that my pronunciation and sometimes my tongue is stuck and my mind is stuck to speak this language, but right now I can capable to speak this language very fluently, and without any course I have joined, it means I can speak English language. And right now make a mistake, lot of the I make a mistakes, but I'm trying to speak this language, and I never give up the English journey. It means I want to try day by day. I want to improve myself for English speaking, and that's why this is the main reason I can speak English language right now in the front of the camera, in the front of the lot of the pupils. You know that someone persons give up her English speaking journey, his English speaking journey. Why they happened this thing? Because they are not confident to speak this language. They don't focus, they don't pay attention the speaking this language. But I continued my English learning journey, and this is a main cause, and this is a that's the reason that I can speak English language in the front of the camera. And I can say confidently that because I will become a professional speaker in future, and am easily I can speak this language very fluently. Right now I'm doing a lot of the mistakes, I know that, like a pronunciation mistakes. Sometimes my voice is stuck, and sometimes my pronunciation is not very good, and sometimes I inhaled my breath, then I feel a little bit anxiety and fear of the English speaking. So many things I have encountered, but still I can try to speak English language, and in future I'll never give up in my English journey, because English journey is a very important for me, and English will change my life. I know that English can change my life in future. Maybe in future I will become a professional speaker, and a lot of the things I know that about me. So firstly I want to tell you that why listening is a more important for English speaking. You know that listening is a totally good, and throughout the listening you can learn easily any language without any course. Not only English language, but also lot of the language you can easily learn throughout the listening, because listening is a more important for speaking, and not only English speaking but also a lot of the language. Like you want to learn Gujarati language, you want to learn Japanese, Chinese, France language, so many language you want to learn, so you can easily learn throughout the listening without grammar rules, without known about the grammar rule. You can learn English and you can speak any kind of the language, because you know that I'm also told you that in the childhood baby, from the childhood, you how have you learned this language? Throughout the listening, without any grammar, without any teach you. So how can you start and speak this language in your childhood? Because listening, throughout the listening. So this is the power of the listening, that you can easily speak the any language, like, and you can speak in Hindi language, in your native language. So this is a throw of the communication and throw of the listening, because listening is a more important for English speaking. Maybe 50% work listening, it means 50% of the English speaking, listening is the more important than writing, reading are necessary. Okay, so for the listening, lot of the things available and lot of the methods available, like a listening you can easily listen the podcast, movie, drama, cartoon, so many things you can listen. And right now you are listening my video, so this is a very beneficial for you, because you have started to speak this language, this you have started to speak this English language journey, and you are watching my video. So this is the best way to improve your English, because you are listening this language throughout the me, because I'm speaking this language and you are listening. You are a listener, I'm a speaker. So you are, that you are, this language is a very important right now. You are, you also know, and lot of the in the my previous video I also told you, lot of the previous video I also told you that this language is a very important. And for the English learning, firstly listening is a very important. So first is a listening step is so first is this: listening help you to learn natural sentences, because when you are listen any podcast, any movie, any drama, any cartoon like my video, then your mind is a build the confidence, and listen carefully the language, how to do the pronunciation, what is the intention, what is the clarity, how can I speak this. So this kind of the way, and this thing is a very important, that listening build your natural speaking and natural sentences. You are notice you have noticed that sometimes you are listening any podcast, then in this podcast in this podcast you are listening lot of the sentences like I want to go, I know go, so many things like I know, lot of the things you are listen, and then your mind is focused upon the sentences. What is the grammar rules, where is the grammar rules, where is the pronunciation is a good, and the preposition conjunctions, where is the pronunciation, where is the preposition conjunction, so many things your mind has checked. That's why you are listening, your listening journey, your English speaking journey, for your English speaking journey, the listening is a more important, because your mind know about the real sentences like items, this is the items, this is the phrases, this is the pronunciation, this is the interjection, so many things your mind is knowing. That's why you are listen, throughout the listen you are learn this language, and that's how method is a very important. Listening is a very important for English speaking. And second is a listening build your pronunciation and intention. That when you am asked to you lot of the question, then you are trying to speak the language, then your mind think that how can I deliver the one sentence. So this way in such a way, this kind of the thing you can easily learn this language. Suppose that I want to ask a question and you are give the answer, then your mind is firstly think that how can I give the answer. So this is a very good way that you can easily learn this language. Like you are pronounce the word, because through of the listening you are trying to speak this English language through of the listening and pronunciation. Like when I was watch the video, then what was the pronunciation, like I can say impressive. Then this word, when you are listen, when you are heard this sentence impressive, then your mind two type of this scenario happened with your mind. Like first is a pronunciation. What was pronunciation? Like impressive, this is a pronunciation. And intention, like what is the meaning about the impressive. Like impressive is a like akarsit, maybe you can say attractive, and impressive is a is smarter than attractive. Okay, so this is a impressive, you are looking impressive, your smile is a very impressive, it means prabhavshali. So this thing, intention and pronunciation, catched our mind. That's why listening is a more important for English speaking. So please more and more listen the podcast anywhere. It means whenever you go, whatever you think, you can try to listen the podcast. Like you are trying to speak this language, this is a good, but this is not enough. Like you are going to the any market, then you can set your earphone and you are easily hear listen the podcast. You are driving the car and you are trying to hear the listen the podcast. So many things you can do. And third is a listening expands your vocabularies and items, because when you are listen any podcast, then in the podcast lot of the phrases and items, vocabularies, pronunciation as well, lot of the pronunciation and vocabulary used in the podcast, and then you are easily copy and easily learn the lot of the podcast and idioms. So listening is a very important, because listening is a first step to learn this language. When you are trying to listen any podcast, maybe in the beginning you couldn't able to understand what in the podcast what say, so many things. I know that you are facing a lot of the problem, and you will face a lot of the problems, I know, but please face this problem, then you are become a capable to speak this language. Okay, so this is a good thing. Okay, this is a fourth thing, three thing. Okay, then fourth thing is a listening is a overcome your hesitations and shyness. Because when you are listen any podcast, any kind of the podcast, any kind of the movie, you are listen the English speaking, then your hesitate, your fear of the speaking overcome, because you are looking, you are watching the videos of English speaking, and which things you are watching, and this kind of the thing you are become, because you are watching the videos on the YouTube, like a lot of the English speaking video, and then you also try to speak this language, and then that same time your hesitate and your shyness a little bit overcome, and fear of the English speaking. Okay, so this is a very important for English learning. And fifth is a very important, try to listen and try to speak this language. When you are trying to speak this language, then easily you are make and become a capable to speak this language. And this kind of the things, like a one and 2 point I want to share. This is my personal point, this is my private thing that I want to share, that English, for the English speaking, like firstly, try to listen the language, and second, watch lot of the podcast web series in English. Like you can create an environment like English speaking, like every time you can think in English. This is the first thing. And second, you are trying to create an environment like English speaking, like you are watching, you are scrolling the reel, you are watching lot of the web series, convert the in the Hindi things to convert in the English. Like everything you can change, everything you have to change in the English. So please do to this thing, try to, like you are scrolling the reel, then you can convert, and you can watch the English content, English reels. So this is a very beneficial for you. And you are creating a video like me, and you can easily pronounce the word, and in the front of the camera build your confidence, improve your pronunciation, and as well as communication is a very important, improve your communication, like create a, like my type of the video, approximately 1 hour to 30 minutes you can record your video, and watch what is a mistake, what is my what is my body language, what is my impression, what is my pronunciation. So many things you can judge for oneself, then you become a capable to speak this language. And right now I'm doing a lot of the mistakes in my English speaking. You know that I'm not a professional speaker, I'm not a very sufficient, I'm not a very proficient to speak this language. Sometimes I want to say this vocabulary and I want to say that vocabulary, it means I want to say this vocabulary, but in my mind deliver the wrong vocabulary. And most of the time I have to do to change a lot of my vocabulary. Like first time I speak other vocabulary, and second time I speak other vocabulary. So sorry for this thing, sorry for it, and try to speak English language. And thank you for watching till the end, and support me. Thank you.